Hello guys, welcome back to Trading for Beginners, and in this video I am going to talk about how can you check all of the recent information about any specific network or crypto into Bitget Wallet. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now in order to do that, you just simply have to open Bitget Wallet application, and after opening the Bitget Wallet, you will just simply have to tap into this more icon right here. Tap there and scroll down to all the way bottom, and you will get to see this option of Blockchain Explorer. Simply tap to Blockchain Explorer, and after tapping in there, it will open this page for you. Now into here, you just simply have to select the network for which you would like to get all of the recent details in here. I'm selecting Ethereum, and after selecting this specific network, you will get to see this option of Ether price at very first, which is $2,439.35 right now, and you will get to see market cap at second and transaction, last finalized block, and many more options. You can also see the transaction history in 14 days, where it was in peak and where it was in the least amount of transaction. Then after that, you can also check the latest block and latest transaction. This way you can get all of the recent informations about any specific crypto or the network into your Bitget wallet. I hope this video was informative for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching this video.